Good morning from the Potter Creek Sugar Shack. It's Sunday, March 11th. Happy Daylight Savings. What I wanted to do today was just show everybody the final step in our process of making maple syrup here at the Sugar Shack. So what we have here is our finish pan, and the finish pan has all the syrup that's drawn off the evaporator. So when we take the syrup off the evaporator, it's a little bit light in density, meaning that there's still a little bit more water that needs to be boiled out to bring it up to the correct density to be called maple syrup. So what we do is we take all the syrup, we put it back in this pan, apply a little more heat, get the density up to where we need it to be, and then we put in a food safe filter aid. And that filter aid is stirred up in the syrup, and then that syrup is pushed through this filter press, which you see here, which is run by an air diaphragm pump, which is the black contraption in back that you hear. So that syrup is pushed through each one of these plates, and each one of these plates has a piece of filter paper in between that catches all that filter aid and subsequently catches all the little particulates, the sugar sand, which is also called niter, and it makes this syrup crystal clear, which is perfect for bottling in glass, which we predominantly do. So once it's pushed through this filter press, it continues up this line here, and it goes into our water jacketed canner, which is this guy. And then it's maintained at around 180, 185 degrees. That way everything's sterile whenever it's jarred. And then it goes into the jars, it's labeled up, and it's out the door. So that's the final step in the process of making syrup here at the Potter Creek Sugar Shack. Thanks for joining us.